So, hello everyone, this is Team Infinity, and we present before you the idea prioritizing vaccine delivery using AI/ML. You can have a check at the team members here. India currently ranks second in COVID-19 infections, which is still increasing daily. With a population of about 1.3 billion and a limited amount of vaccine supply, a gigantic challenge is to tackle the distribution of vaccines among all age groups, keeping in mind the people who are more vulnerable to this infection. Currently, the government is planning to vaccinate people only on the basis of their age group. Consider the age group 18 to 45, which is about to get vaccinated. This consists of around 60 crore people. But the current vaccine supply and infrastructure are not sufficient to vaccinate all these people in a short span of time. So there should be a proper distribution system that prioritizes people, keeping in mind their health conditions and demographic locations as well. This will reduce the mortality rate as well as help to control the current medical crisis. So here in this flowchart, we will go through the solution which we are going to implement to make a better vaccine delivery system. As you can see in this flowchart, we have scrapped data and collected resources from different sites like Kaggle, Our World in Data, etc. These data contain health, socio, demographic, and economic data of India. The regional medical data is used to train the regression model. It requires a patient to fill in all the details based on which a fatality score is generated. The remaining data, the remaining data is used for clustering models. Once the region is divided into separate clusters based on similarity of trends, we rank these clusters and inside each such cluster, sort people according to their fatality scores and allocate them slots. We have also included a chatbot to help people answer the general questions about COVID. This is also an aim behind prohibiting spreading of misinformation through social media sites and chatting apps. We will only be providing information from reliable sources like WHO and other official reports. The data has been taken from mainly two sites. For the demographic, social, and health data, we are using Our World in Data, which provides regular updates on these features for every country. For the priority-based score, we are using the COVID-19 patient precondition dataset available at Kaggle. It contains data of some patient-specific information and habits like sex, patient type, testing results, intubation, different type of diseases, respiratory, pregnancy, etc. Um, Scalability is a very important thing when it comes to making a large-scale solution in a country like India, where we have a huge population. Since most of our models are have very low latency, it is uh, really feasible to implement a solution on a large scale. This pandemic has taught us that we need to be ready for such events in the future. We can extend this solution for future immunity booster programs as well and prevent such mishappenings.